How to add baggage in Skyscanner. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add baggage to your flight check-in in Skyscanner. Now, what you need to know is that prices that you pay on Skyscanner app during your booking doesn't include a checked luggage. Now, it doesn't matter when you end up booking with the large airlines such as British Airways or Air France, since they automatically include a checked luggage in your booking. Now, but for budget airlines it's different. These are able to offer lower prices by selling tickets that don't include any option. Then you'll have to pay an extra fee when you are bringing a checked luggage. Skyscanner will display their prices for a basic seat without any options, so keep in mind that if you're not flying with just a carry-on, the price will be higher. Now, so what you can do is to check in for the luggage details and the prices. You can simply open up the Skyscanner app and you can head into the flights option there, and you can search in for the flight there. And once you search for it there, particular ones, and you can select your class here as well. And once you do so, you can simply search for it, and once you search for it there, it'll show up there. And once you open it up, if you open them there on view details option, they will show you the options right here on your luggage and such if there is available. So there you can read the prices for the luggage, and during the check-in or during the flight check-in, you'll have to pay extra there for your luggage, so it doesn't include here on the booking. So this way you can add baggage in Skyscanner. You'll need to add it actually, you'll just have to read the details that is submitted there and you can directly add it on your check-in. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.